Hello, I am Danny. A peak performance trader is totally committed to being the best and doing whatever it takes to be the best. He feels totally responsible for whatever happens and thus can learn from mistakes. These people typically have a working business plan for trading because they treat trading as a business. Today I'm going to show you how to install the NeonPro Binary Option Indicator on MT4. First of all, you need to download the NeonPro Binary Option Indicator from ProFX Indicator's website. Before adding this indicator to the website, the ProFX team checks and analyzes the NeonPro Binary Option Indicator to confirm whether all the files are correctly included in this zip file. We recommend watching this video before using the indicator. Let's do it. Extract the zip file. Open your MT4 platform. Go to File. Open Data folder. Select MQL4 folder. Copy and paste one by one from the downloaded file. Copy files from indicator folder and paste them into the indicator folder. If there are any libraries, presets and script files, paste them into relevant folders. Copy template files from the template folder or .tpl file and paste them into the template folder. Now right-click on the chart window and select Template. Select NeonPro Binary Option Indicator. Now you can see the loaded template on the chart window. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the NeonPro Binary Option Indicator. Comment any other suggestions or your problems in comment section. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day and enjoy. I will come with another video soon.